Okay, so the money that I made video about as an overdue payment, the money has been paid, and you can see it reflects in my account that I have 34,449.61 dollar Ghana cedis in my account. So I can refresh it for you to know that this is not a screenshot. It's a real payment out there that I've been making money on regular, and you can see I've balance a pending balance of 78,000 Ghana cedis, and you can see it reflects over here. So this is how we fixed an overdue payment on Impact Radio. So what's up, guys? My name is Richmond, and you're welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online. So if you're new to this channel, can you subscribe, like the video as well, and don't forget to comment all your questions. I'll be there to answer you, and we continue out there. So today's video, I'm not going to take you through anything other important. I'm going to take you through a new CPA marketing platform that has joined Impact Radios, and I believe it was there, but most people that they didn't know that it works. So I decided to give it a try, and now I see that it's very easy. Unlike the previous sites, that is very hard for people to promote, and even if you get accepted into it, getting conversions and getting people to sign up, it's very difficult because they need to enter their credit card details, and when the people get to that point, they decide to stop. So you can see over here that, let me go to all this here, let me go to my clicks. You can see that I have 979 clicks over here, and I have only 161 sign-ups or actions on my account. So you can see that it's not easy. You can receive clicks, but how to get conversions is very hard. Unlike this one, doesn't require any credit card payment. So I'll move straight to my brands over here. So I'll move to my brands, and as usual, how you apply to brands on Impact Radios, that's the same rule. You just have to contact them and then apply over here. So the name of this platform is EcoMail. So one subscriber commented that he wanted to do self-clicking on this platform, and it bounces back. So let me move to my YouTube studio and show you how everything works. So I'll move back to my YouTube studio and show you that comment that the person commented under my video, that he tried to do self-clicking on this platform, but it did not work. So I gave him a little bit advice on how to do that, but I wanted to show you all out there how you can perform this self-click on this platform, and it will work for you. So let me move to my comments and then show you the comment that the person made under that video. You can see okay, so guys, as we are doing this, don't forget to smash on the like button and then comment down below all your questions, and like the video as well for it to reach a lot of people. So 5 days ago, this person commented under my video that I have unrated question. I promoted one CPA offer on Impact Radio. So I used my phone to sign up, but checking on my earnings after a few hours, my account is still reading 00. So this is the video that the comment that the person made, and he contacted me through WhatsApp because I have my WhatsApp number over here, and he gave me a WhatsApp message, and I decided to give it a try. So I asked of the product name, and he said he mentioned the name to me that is EcoMail. So I decided to give it a try and do self-clicking a little bit on it. So let me move straight to my pending actions for you to know that whatever I'm saying here is true. So let me click on it first of all to show you the amount of money that they are going to pay you as per sign up, and what we are going to do right now to make it work. Yes, so you can see that newsletter subscription means you are going to get $1 over here, and when the person sign up through your link, you are going to get $5. So it works. €5, sorry. So €5 is equals to 62 Ghana cedis here in Ghana. So it works perfectly, but there is a but over here. So I'll move to my ending actions over here. So on my pending actions, you can see that I just tried 5 self clicks, and you can see here that it is showing over here. So you can see I did one on the C's and it reflected in my account. So I decided to give it a try, which is I did 5 the next day, which is on the 7th of November 2023, and everything reflected into my account. So you can see I did it continuously. So I did it 1016, 1017, 1017, and then 1023, and then 1041. So which is odd in PM. So you can see that everything reflected over here, and you can see that I earned 62 Ghana cedis out of all the self click that I made. So I have about 370 something pending balance from this platform. So how are you going to make this self-clicking works? So first of all, what you need to do right now is you go to impact.com and sign up for an account, and you join this platform, says echo mail, and this is what you're going to do right now. So first of all, you need to copy your link from this place, this section where it says create and share link. So you hit on that. So you can see that this is a lot of I'm promoting a lot of products on this platform. I promote a lot of products, so I'm not promoting only one product to make money online. So this money you can see over here doesn't come from only one product that I'm promoting. It comes from a lot of products. Some come from VPNs, and then motion affiliate, all the products over here. The medium is giving you $10 per sign-ups over here, but it's a little bit complicated for people to join. So this is what you're going to do right now. What you need to do is to select the product that you want to create a link for. So you create a link, you hit on that, and it's going to bring this link over here. But first of all, what you need to do is to select this side where it says ID, but it's not that important, so I won't talk about that today. In my next video, maybe I'll show you how to use this place where it says landing page is optional, but sometimes it's very important you add a landing page to it. So you hit on this pencil icon over here, and then you copy the link over here. So you can see that the name already exists. So that means I have copied the link. What you need to do right now is to open up a new private window over here. If only you are using, I'm using Firefox, you can use this browser, Chrome browser, and you are going to apply the same thing. You can do the same thing by hitting on this incognito window, and then you hit on that, and you paste your link over here just to receive clicks. Yes, you need to receive clicks before you try to sign up. So in Ghana here, every email addresses allow only 5 Gmail accounts. Yes, so if you can create more than 5 Gmail accounts, that means you've tried your possible best. But every Gmail account or every SIM card allows only 5 Gmail accounts, but you can create a Gmail account without your without your SIM card or without your number. So it's very cool that you do that and create a lot of emails out there to do self-clicking, because this one you cannot share to people for them to join. If only you can share it, very fine, but going to this if you want a correct results, you need to do it by yourself. And what you need to do is to follow the steps or the things that I'm going to show you, or what I'm going to tell you to do. So do not sign up continuously. You do one right now, you do one, and okay, let me copy the link again. So you can see that I've copied the link over here. What you need to do is to open a new browser over here, and then you paste it and go. So allow you to load and bring the website page over here just to receive clicks from this website. So now you see that you have one click over here. You close it and you open another private window over here again, and you paste it. Just wait it for you to load. That means this open a private window doesn't this website is not captured, or it's not being saved in your history. So you can see that in my history I don't have this website being listed over here. So this is how you can receive clicks. So we have now received 2 clicks. So try as much like 5 clicks before you try to sign up. Yes, so you must try at least 5 clicks before you try to sign up through your link. So let me do it again. Okay, private. Okay, and then paste it and go. So now we have 3 clicks over here. So over here, so you can see over here that you have 3 clicks. Let me open once more. So making it 4 is enough now. So what we are going to do right now is to hit on this free trial over here. So hit on that, enter your name, any name that comes to your mind, and you enter a varied email address. So I'll enter my any name that comes to my mind. So I'll do that backstage and then show you the everything after typing everything. So guys, don't forget to smash the like button if you like what I'm showing you right now, and then comment down below your questions. I'll be there to answer you, and like the video as well to reach more people, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. This is what you should do on a daily basis, and before this is what we do on this channel. So I'll do that backstage. Okay, so waiting for some time. This is what I've done right now. So the account name is a username that you can use, and then you can see that you cannot change your account name afterwards, and you can see the full name over here. The email address is being listed over here, and this is the password. So I'll hit on create free account over here. So right now they say it's being taken already, so I'll add maybe 62 to 8 and then hit on create free account over here. So just wait for it to load, because we are not using VPN or anything. Don't use any VPN or anything out there. Just try your possible best to create this thing over here. So add your website. It's not that important, so you can add any website out there, and then your contact up to 200 contacts, and add any website like that comes to your mind. Any website. You can go to Google and search for any website out there, so you can do it and move forward with it. So www. So this any website that comes to my mind. So what are you doing? Are you an agency or an e-commerce? So you can choose any of these and hit on continue. So let's move back, and then yes, so newsletter publishing. So I'll hit on that and move on continue. So you can see I would like to verify my website. I don't own my website, so you can choose that, and any social media handle that you have, you can choose that. So you type in all the necessary details that you want, and you continue with it. Yes, that's how everything works. So you tell us about yourself. So you can type in like anything about yourself. So I'll do that and get back to you. So right now, this is the account. So they asked me to type in my social media account over there. So I decided to type in anything like facebook.com, and that's it. So we can see that, hey, Kumi62, you are so glad. You feel free to take around, and if you want some tips, getting started, just click here. So this is how everything works. So it's very easy, and with this I know most of my subscribers are going to make millions and tons of money online. Yes, it's very easy. So this is how you create an account with this CPA platform. So all you need to do is to go out there, join this Impact Radio's account, and try your possible best. Please try your possible best to create an account and join this platform, and join this program on Impact Radios, and this is how you're going to make these tons of money. I've tried and tested it, so it's not like you are now going to make money with this. I've tried and tested it. So you can come to my pending actions over here, and you can see that I've been making money with this eco mail. You can see over here I have 6 times 62 is up to 300 and something Ghana cedis. So let me pull up my calculator and tell you that 60 multiplied by that. So 62 multiplied by 6 is 372 Ghana cedis out there. So this is how I made this kind of money on daily basis. So you can go out there, replicate this thing, and in my next video I will show you. You can see I'm not going to do any clicking again. You can see over here that I have only 6 pending actions over here. So in my next video I'm going to show you that what I did reflected into my account, and this is how we make money with Impact Radios. Until I see my next video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment down below your questions. I'll be glad to help you out, and thanks for you guys for supporting me from day one. And now until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and see my next video. Stay safe and peace out.